Hi mga chick! I'm gonna give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a corset. I saw this huge dress from the thrift store. I don't know na yan siya kadako. I think 6-footer ang previous owner ani, but I mainly bought this for the fabric. Daghan kayo siya fabric and medyo na ako siya pagka-denim mga chicks. And I bought this for I think 10 or 15 pesos lang.
Now get your pencil and pattern paper, which in my case, a Chowking paper bag. Chowking, baka naman, gusto mo corset uniform sa inyong crew. The trick is to get sports bra or anything that hugs your body. And no, not your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Now this part is tricky. It needs talent. If you're not good at sketching, stop this video and throw your bra. Bra? Just kidding. Get back here and just trace your bra. Bra. Why am I keep saying bra? Bra. Now measure the length of your body and follow what I'm doing. Just make one side of the corset for a more symmetrical figure. And don't ask me what I'm doing here. Start cutting the edges, except for the inside part, so you can fold it later. To make the back part of your corset, measure 2 pieces of 6 by 6 inches of fabric. Just keep cutting, ew. But really, just keep cutting until you make yourself a voila corset pattern. Make sure to take a sharp shear. Wow, what a tongue twister. Sharp shear. Follow the pattern you created and cut 2 pieces of fabric for the double lining. Now don't forget to place the wrong sides together and trace your pattern on the wrong sides. Now let me make it confused. Again, don't forget to place the right sides together and trace your pattern on the wrong sides of the fabric so you know where to sew. Leave the top part of the strap so you can connect the 2 straps later. Also, leave the bottom part so you can turn your corset inside out. And at that moment, I realized that something was wrong. I'm so tired and I thought I was gonna start all over again. But with some moment of thinking and food, I fixed it by cutting the excess fabric from the seam. And instead of showing you the process, here's a clip of me brainstorming with my bowl and spoon. Start sewing the inner edges of the tracings from your patterns. Your corset should look like this. And as you can see, I'm very thankful I'm almost done. Insert your boning into the fabric. You can use cable ties as bonings, but make sure that you buy the biggest size. Unlike me, gamay nga size among napalit, so nagamit ko ganong pag-boning sa sanina. Wala ko balon sa itawag, basta naanadaan ako mama na, so muna na itong gigamit. Cut the excess bonings, then sew the lower part for the closure. For the closure? May pang corset na closure. Kamo ha? Kamo. Next, follow your pattern for the back part of your corset.
You can cut longer fabrics than your pattern. Like me, naniguro lang jud ko nga sakto ang akong length. Just make adjustments when you start connecting these pieces of fabrics onto the main corset. Cut 2 pieces of 15 by 2 inches of fabric for the strap. Don't forget to sew the seams first before connecting it to the main corset. It's to make the hole for the back. But instead of doing the tedious work of making those strips, I cut the seams of the dress and used it as a strips instead. Remember, working hard is cute, but working smart is cuter. You can actually use the sewing machine here, but I decided to hand sew it. And by the way, don't put the holes alternately like I did. You're supposed to tie the back like you tie your shoe. So place the holes the way the shoe holes are arranged. Kaya na lang guys, naaga na may makita nga sa nina nga dako kaayo. Nya siya daw fabric, palita lang kay dagani kay mabuhat nga sa nina ana. That's it guys. Thank you for watching and I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Peace!